In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link slides to another slide in Google Slides. This handy skill will elevate your presentations, allowing you to connect different parts of your deck seamlessly, making your presentations not only more interactive but also easy to navigate. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, make sure you're connected to the internet as we'll be using Google Slides, a cloud-based tool. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you already have a Google account, you'll need to sign in. If not, this is the perfect opportunity to create one. Being signed in allows you to access your presentations and edits from anywhere, so this step is crucial. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. This is where all your presentations are displayed. If you're starting from scratch, you'll want to create a new presentation. You can do this by clicking on blank presentation to start fresh, or select a template that fits your desired style. Templates can offer a professional touch without needing to design each slide from the ground up. Now that you have your presentation open, the next step is to decide which slide you'd like to insert a link into. Navigate through your slides and click on the one you wish to use. If you haven't added content yet, that's alright, you can add a link to text, images, shapes, or even blank areas. To start the linking process, look to the top menu bar and click on the Insert option. A drop-down menu will appear, scroll down to find Link and click on it. This action will open a dialog box where you can create your link. Here is where the real magic happens. You'll need to decide what you want to link. If you want to link to another slide within the same presentation, you'll see a section labelled Slides in this presentation. Click there and you will see the list of all slides within the deck. Choose the slide you wish to link to and select it. For the link to work as expected, make sure to double check your selection before clicking Apply. This verifies that users who click on the link will be directed to the correct slide, streamlining your presentation's navigation. Once applied, your link will be active within your presentation. By following these steps, you've made your presentation much more interactive. This technique is especially useful in large presentations, allowing you to efficiently guide your audience through your slides. Whether you're a teacher, student, or business professional, mastering linking within Google Slides can greatly enhance your presentation toolkit. And there you have it. Integrate these steps into your workflow, and soon you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Happy presenting!